Hey guys, welcome to Buddy Knuckles Garage, and this here is my 2006 GMC Hummer H3. Despite being told not to buy one by pretty much every family member and friend that I have, I went and did it anyway. I do what I want. It does have some issues. First off, that I did notice is it came with a really nice remote start that works, but it doesn't lock or unlock the doors, so that's been a problem. And the key it comes with isn't the original, and it's kind of janky. Requires some wiggling in there. So let's just go over a couple things here. It is lifted with a Rancho kit aftermarket. It's got busted door handle, but that's like a 5-second fix. I've already got part for that. It's got some rusty spots. I mean, the thing is almost 20 years old. It's the luxury edition, so it's got a bunch of chrome crap on it. It's not the adventure package. It doesn't have rear locking diff, but that's okay. It'll be good enough for what I'm going to use it for. Rear leaf springs are rusty. They tend to crack after a certain amount of time and wear, but I don't see any cracks in there, so that's good. Keep that in mind. I'll be replacing them anyway. And as far as lights go, this thing has all of the lights. There are lights everywhere. Except when you turn them on, they flicker really fast. So probably some kind of a ground issue, I'm guessing. Usual maintenance underneath will be taken care of. There's a ripped CV boot, and we'll probably do the ball joints and everything else while we're at it. There's the front diff is sounds like it's knocking when I'm driving around. So that's going to be a bushing, probably, or 3. Let's see here. The tire holder on the back is actually in the hatch. So we'll be replacing that, putting that back on. It's got a tow hitch there. Backup camera's been added, which is super handy for these things. Inside, it has this switch here. I don't know what it is, but when I turn it on, the vehicle goes... Wait, here, maybe you can hear it. What the hell is that? For animals? Like on the highway? I don't know. Heated leather seats. Pretty fancy. Oh, of course the door's busted, so I can't show you, but it is missing one of the back seats. He cut it out. I have it in the house, so I'll have to figure out how he took it out, weld some stuff, and put it back in. I'd like to have 2 working back seats. There's the tire and the thing for the back. See, it's got all these switches and stuff for the lights, which isn't bad. Aftermarket touchscreen, which is a bonus. And then this here, no codes or anything, which is nice. But it's in French. Parlez-vous français, monsieur? Oh, oui, mademoiselle. Parlez-vous français? So I'll be changing that as well. I don't know. Port, that probably means door. Systeme means system pression, maybe like tire pressure. Aftermarket rims, of course. Maybe they don't have the TPMS sensors in them. But I've got a set from a wrecker that I'm going to be using. Oh, I want 2 sets, one for winter, one for summer. So, let's see how that goes. Anyway, oh yeah, window switches. Don't lock doors, don't really work so well, but we'll have more videos coming up once we start working on this beast. Hope you stay tuned. Catch you next time.